Once, in a serene village by a vast river, Gautam Buddha gathered his disciples to share a lesson about letting go. They sat under a large tree as Buddha began his parable. Imagine, Buddha said, a man is on a journey and comes to a wide river. He sees no bridge or boat to cross it, and the current is too strong to swim across. After much thought, he decides to build a raft. He uses branches, leaves, and vines to construct it. Once the raft is ready, he sets it in the water and paddles himself across the river. Buddha paused, allowing his disciples to visualize the man's effort and relief upon reaching the other side. Then he continued, now that he has safely crossed, the man thinks to himself, this raft has served me well. It has helped me cross the river. Should I carry it on my back for the rest of my journey because it was so useful? The disciples shook their heads. No, Master, one of them said. It would be unnecessary to carry the raft once he has crossed the river. It would only burden him. Buddha smiled and nodded. Exactly. The raft was a tool to solve a problem at that moment. Once it has served its purpose, it is wise to let it go and continue the journey unburdened. He continued, in life, we often hold on to things that once served us well but are no longer needed. These attachments can be thoughts, possessions, or even relationships. They may have helped us at some point, but clinging to them can hinder our progress and cause unnecessary suffering. Buddha's disciples reflected on his words, understanding that the parable of the raft was a metaphor for their own lives. They realized the importance of recognizing when something has outlived its usefulness and having the wisdom to let it go. Buddha concluded, just as the man leaves the raft behind after crossing the river, we too must learn to let go of what no longer serves us. By doing so, we free ourselves to move forward on our path with ease and clarity. The disciples bowed in gratitude, their hearts lighter with the understanding that letting go is a vital part of growth and enlightenment. Thank you all for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel to watch more such inspiring videos.